Hello there everyone. In this video we're going to be unboxing the ZTE Max Blue 4G LTE. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. So this one is from Straight Talk, although you can get it from several other carriers. There's going to be a link down below in the description if you're interested in buying this ZTE Max Blue. Here on the front of the box, we have the logos here. And we have some information on the bottom. 6-inch touchscreen, Android 6.0, 16 gigabytes of memory, and dual 13 megapixel cameras with a 5 megapixel front camera. Opening it up here, we can see on the bottom we have a lot of information here on the phone, and here some basic information on the Straight Talk plans. So this phone has a 6-inch touchscreen, it has battery talk time of up to 30 hours and standby time of up to 14 days. It has dual 13 megapixel cameras and 5 megapixel front camera. It has a fingerprint scanner. Let's go ahead and open up the box here. Here we have the manuals. So let's go ahead and take a look at the phone. Let's remove it here. So very big looking phone here. Here we have the dual cameras with the fingerprint scanner right under it. Nice size screen, very sleek design. Let's see what else comes in here. So looks like we have terms and conditions here. We have a quick start guide. And here we have the SIM ejector tool that it comes with to remove the SIM card tray. Here we have the USB Type-C cable, standard with most new smartphones. Here we have the wall plug. So let's take a look at the phone here. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic covering the screen, and let's remove the plastic on the back. Peel this off as well. And let's remove the paper covering the cameras. So here we have the front of the phone, very nice big screen. We have the standard 3 ZTE buttons at the bottom. So here we have the small hole here for the sound input when you're talking on the phone. Here we have the USB Type-C charger port. Here we have the power button on this side and the volume rocker buttons. Here on the top we're going to have a 3.5mm headphone jack input and a small hole for the second microphone input. Here we have the SIM card tray. Here on the back we have the flash, we have the dual 13 megapixel cameras, the fingerprint scanner, the ZTE logo. Here we have the track phone logo right here, and right under it some basic information on the phone, model number, IMEI, and serial numbers. So let's go ahead and power the phone on so we can begin to play with it. Here we go, the phone is on. So I'm going to go through all these setup steps really quickly here. And there we go, the phone is completely set up and we are ready to begin using it now. So swiping from left to right here, the touch function works very smoothly. If you swipe down from the top, you get the quick menu. Here we have the brightness of the screen, so we can see how dim or how bright it can get. Let's go ahead and check out the dial pad here and see what the dial pad and the numbers look like. So pretty nice sized dial pad here for the big screen. Let's check out the messages keyboard. So once again, a very nice sized keyboard due to the screen size. So very good feel to it in general. Go ahead and open the apps. Here are some of the stock apps that the phone comes with. So here we have the wallpapers that the phone comes with. It has a very nice wide selection of wallpapers which all look very crisp and clean because of the nice size screen that this phone has. So very vibrant colors here. A lot of wallpapers to choose from. Alright, so I like this one right here. Let's set it up. And there we go, we have our new wallpaper set up. So let's go ahead and check out the camera now. Here's just a quick guide to get the camera set up. So here we have the zoom feature for the camera. zooms in times 10. So very good zoom here. Still the words looking very clear, even zoomed all the way in. Zoom out. Let's go ahead and check out the video camera. Here we can zoom in as well. So here we have different type of shots that we can capture with the dual camera. So we can select different color shots. We have black and white. So here we have the focus shots where you can center the focus on one thing and blur the background just a little bit. And you can also control the amount of blur that you want in the background. So let's go back. Let's see all the other selections that we have here for shots. So we have panoramic photos, we have time lapse, sports photos, slow motion. Very nice selection. Here we have filters for photos, different filters that we can choose from. And here we have the selfie camera, where we can also dim or put the brightness up as we choose. You can also add a watermark to the photos. You can type in whatever you want, and also choose a color for the watermark. So if you're gonna upload pictures, it's gonna have your name on there and nobody can copy it. Okay, so let's scroll down now to YouTube so that we can try it out and see what the video quality and sound quality is on this phone. Let's play one of our own videos here. We're gonna be going over 5 different tips and suggestions from me to you on how you can grow your YouTube channel faster in 2018. So I'm just gonna be giving you my experience on things that I have done to help me grow a little bit faster, and on the things that I have seen that have helped my channel grow a lot faster than other things. So in my opinion, this is an excellent phone for the price. You can get it for about $199 at your local Walmart or on Amazon. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.